Did someone submit your Google form and then ask to change their answers? The problem is that Google Forms normally creates a new response every time the new form is submitted. But with our response manager, you can change every individual response that a customer has made. So first thing you want to do is in your Google form, head over to settings and responses. Turn on collect email addresses by responder input and allow response editing. This is important. And then once you open up Choice Eliminator, head over to Response Manager, and then from here, it's going to load all of the responses that have been made into your Google form. And if you want to get specific with the type of response that you're searching for, you can head over here and you can search by each field, which is timestamp, email, and the types of questions. So I have a question, which is member, amount of people, and then there's an untitled question. You can search by question. And if I were to search up by email, I could just write it down here. As you can see, the email under this has 3 responses. And now over here, if you were to click on the I symbol, it's going to show you the Google form, the Google form that they submitted itself. And then you can edit it right here by clicking the pencil symbol. Once you do that, it's going to take you to a new page. You can use this link in order to send it to the customers themselves or the user so they can edit it themselves, or you can do it for them by just changing the answer that they want and then clicking submit. You can also send a copy of their response to their email. So if you were to click here, it's going to say send response copy, and then you can input the email. If you want to send multiple responses to one person, you can just select all of them right here and then click this button right here. And then if you want to click on proceed, it's going to send them all to the email that is under here. You can also select all of these checkboxes and also delete the responses if a user has asked you to do it.